top stories. Development possible only when unified work culture, says Chief Minister Amarendra. Many still unaware of various benefits under CMHT scheme. And steps been taken up to upgrade Jenims to the level of AIMS, says Chief Minister Amarendra. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. Now the news in detail. CM Amarendra said that one can move towards development when everyone works together without any difference of caste, creed or color. He was attending the Minority Rights Day observance at Chandrakriti Auditorium, Palace Compound, organized by Manipur State Minorities Commission today. Chief Minister Amarendra stated that the government has been taking up developmental works ever since it came to power. Their work has been speaking for itself. He further said Manipur will become prosperous if the developmental works continue for few more years. No one wants to commit crime, but it happens because of the circumstances. Poverty is one of such circumstances. The government is making efforts to reduce poverty in the state.
Minority waigera, majority waigera, any waigera, we are human beings. Ekoi meaning, ekoi shimioi bani, ai shimioi bani. Hai bagi wakalon dunia tu na human value the politics to bagi message sama ekoi na human task. Kalau ekoi discipline nama maintain tu si. I repeat hana katore matam ki value, paisa ki value. Siapa koi ngat nasan naba. Anu gua Manipur mah. Aku Manipur para bani tu mayam yang biuda. Nai Maoist ni kaya ban ka kauri ka tu kanam tu mawal obi tu ni. Scooter do kaya dengan workshop tu kan orang putus ada lising ni bibam porong kan ni mi tu tholok dengan moi na prajana thare kaya na thol itu. Fara ni khangani loi khangani kesu. Oi roi. Lal hau ge na hau bro rainti yau ge na yau ro. Lal hau ge na hau ro rainti yau ge yau ro. Political party tu siang na firan tu khubak pai ge ra, thambal pai ge ra, ha, cycle pai ge ra pai thong na ka thengna phai na. La jo hau gum to amma adu di prajana yaroi. Yadak taba bi yad re. Karantana support iti.
The Chief Minister further said politics should bring development. Make war or be in politics, make a choice. He also appealed not to call band unnecessarily.
Government ji side gi minorities enjoy ba ID what I said I do. Koi government ji mayam na khambi lone koi na tawni have to we koi. Tawroi da koi haide. Nahangai ai ngang de minority gi planning to an ba lei Hujing madu ki thabuk oina utpa ya stage koi whole Manipur gi oiba irrespective of affiliation of the political parties committee ma seme striking area force khud maga da usi minority concentrate oina leiba Leyland da gi hobani Leyland gi survey to wayam balore PM yum later by yum sagadova 1,500 nearly 2,000 may have identified over. Haying Tarikunipan the program of Simbani. Mother minorities singi Maitay Pangals, some Nupi singi of a woman's market. Bakaror Marigala Contradiama Zata Holagani Saragani, the long Canada Savannah Mando. Leyland Baraka, 50 bedded girls and boys hostels. ITI hojik lady bodo skill development gi photo on khadna ba koi madugi government gi hojik share is a meeting particularly to uplift the weaker section.
Despite government effort to help the people in the health sector by introducing various schemes, many, especially the people living in the outskirts, are still unaware of the benefits, like Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gitingbang. scheme. Here is a report.
Chief Minister Gi Hakshal Gi Tengbang, CMHT, was launched by the government of Manipur recently. The weaker section of the society are still unaware of the benefits made available under this scheme. The family of Puyam Kumar and Puyam Ongbi Inaubi of Kawa Selungbalikai of Tongzu Assembly Constituency is one of the families which is unaware of these schemes. Among his 5 children, 2 boys cannot move and walk due to a hereditary illness. Moreover, their eldest son expired due to the same illness 3 years ago. However, the family did not receive a single penny under various schemes taken up by the government. The mother of the 2 children, Inaubi Devi, has no knowledge of CMHT. The 3 sons of Inaubi were born with normal health and there was no physical problem. Unfortunately, at the age of 7, they became paralytic. Though they were treated at RIMS, there was no sign of improvement. Later, Puyam Famous Kumar, as about 19, the eldest son of Inaubi, expired 3 years ago due to the same illness. Besides, Brezu Kumar and Robindro, younger brothers of late Famous, were also infected by the hereditary disease. Inaubi lamented asking help for her sons. Worried about her sons, she can't even leave home to earn bread and butter of the family. She is in the hope that the authority concerned will extend all possible help to ease the difficulty of her helpless family. On the other hand, father of 2 brothers, Puyam Karun Kumar, said the family is facing grave difficulty at present. The family have not received any help from the government so far. They are still unaware which all health benefits they can avail of the various schemes introduced by the government.
Masi aina kaya tichilluba tawdre samna jarabda adubu mayam mamadi yon pangnay lawnay tawnay na hai adubu masi aisum mari makongji kaya khangdabanina si matangida aina kajitang knowledge wale adu akoigi laiba isinaw mayam dagi mari lenaba singna tawbirapa du ta ngai lejare.
Chief Minister Amarendra has said that steps are being taken up to upgrade Janims to the level of AIMS. He was attending the 11th Annual Foundation Day of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Janims, at the auditorium of Janims, Porompat in Imphal today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is scheduled to visit Manipur on January 4th, is going to announce a huge package for the overall development of Janims, the Chief Minister assured.
Prajana Khazabuk Nasagi Masing Hangalaido Masing Hangalay, me, ma'am, she did lack by Helic confidence building Akogi, government told you opposite Hazarapuni. Nanga is Sakagi hospital, as someone that avoid the Mihiber Malaria. But now, see Akogi, Liberian doctors sing credit me. Doctors sing, nursing, Fazana, treatment to be but fazana deal to be bagi thasa by hankalaga la ineva and the machine in a panari the mila could nipa midi I don't know Jenims the me am kusta Dr. Singam one when nursing and one when he can do Simon Power Kari the Carly with the Kushu Yaninga state key revenue see Karakwist is a lighter bonina Aduki the Kitangdi restaurant like Adobe Yaninga the Jenim Sigidi heck Hirak Podaba S Massima the Massing and the other when you go say Sassing Mayam Husigamo Doctor Gawar lady, someone satruk to me, Harry Hana, Adutar Massing Yamam the machine on Tolakani sec base by base lakanda, even a top states in the show, Adam Satnari when he had it go. In the other doctor, give us what he had it. Aduna Masi Adimata Quiggy, Silita Quiggy, Manipuri doctor, she a Favagi Markta themselves. Ma'am, any Kanom Tokana Manipuri doctors in the Haising. Koi kitang soi basi koi kulai kari accommodation haisira mogi se operation theater makta orang so operation theater well equipped with ba adu kumba ka doba dagi modern technology ki machinery singi awat play ba adu kumba khara adu masi koina menkapi ragadi koi ma pa na sali ba kholi ba na ba
On the other hand, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar said doctors need to treat patients with utmost care. The most valuable quality of doctors and all those who are in the medical profession is the ability to maintain emotional connections with patients and the patient parties.
Doctors in profession, the nurse profession, it is so unique. Unique in the sense that lawyer's profession, advocate's profession, I'm sorry, and he has another chance to go to the higher court for appeal or revision, whatever it is. I show you, I'm not getting high to I am a revision check, I'm not appeal check, I have a chance for me. But here in this particular profession, excuse, I show you excuse to you, high be at the high. Your excuse means the life of somebody.
Jenims has been rendering the human service tirelessly for the past 11 years, and the administration assures to continue its humanity service to the people of Manipur in the days to come. With camera person Sana, Blessing Yangmay, Tom TV News, Infal, Porompat.
Health Minister L. Jayantakumar flagged off 76 participants of the National Yoga Championship 2018 to be held at Mache, West Bengal. The championship is organized by Yoga Physique Federation of India from 22nd to 24th of this month at Kangla Western Gate. He said popularity of yoga has been increasing. He wished the players to bring accolades in the championship.
National Yoga Championship 2018 tongan level tongan category da shona ki mana matum pura kani loina mayam da Manipur da yoga atna haiba makal gi khucha na haibsu ai netragana koi hakchang sajan haibsu ai ado hari makal pot se mase koi yamna promotion to se mase asu mutu wang to we to the national level da madugi standard to yore hadna haibu to madugi soina maki madugi mai pak pa madugi message pura lakani haiba gi asata mi ado kamyam pulaga ishor mafam da asem lai phumchi mamang da Showroom da Tali Bangang Ma'am, my partner, Mongoloina, Manipur Puraga, Lakushno, and the short of
Cabinet has given 3 green signals to introduce 3 bills during the second day meeting of Manipur Legislative Assembly. According to reports received by Tom TV News, as per a cabinet meeting held yesterday, the Manipur Protection from Mob Violence, Manipur International University Bill 2018 and the Manipur Goods and Services Tax Amendment Protection Bills will be introduced during the 6th session of Assembly, which will be held from December 20 to 21st this month. Assembly Secretariat is taking up necessary measures for smooth functioning of the session. The 6-day 5th International Sankirtan Day has kicked off at the National Theatre at Mandalay in Myanmar. The inaugural function of the International Sankirtan Day was jointly organized by Sri Sri Govindaji Nat Sankirtan Academy and Manipur Dance Academy. Guru Sanatun Hari Sankirtan, Consulate General of India, Myanmar, Manipur Cultural Integration Conference and 5th International Sankirtan Celebration Committee, Chief Minister of Mandalay, his cabinet ministers, Consulate General of India, Nandan Singh, MP Dr. T. Menya, Deputy Speaker T. Robindro and many MLAs of Manipur attended the inaugural function. The Myanmar Manipuris honored some teachers as part of the function. Speaking on the occasion, in which various cultural programs were presented, MP T. Menya said, Nat Sankirtan is an undetachable element of life. As such, even UNESCO recognized Nat Sankirtan in 2013.
UNESCO in 2013 recognized Sankirtana on the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. This recognition has been given after a long discussion, rather performance by the Sankirtana believers. As has been rightly mentioned in the beginning, that this art form is celebrated on religious occasions and various stages in the life of Vaishnava people of Manipur Plains.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Ashok Leyland Bharat ki khwaidagi maming leiraba Ashok Leyland heavy commercial vehicle gi authorized dealer Manipur gi oina lamjingba group ki unit ama oiriba lamjingba motors private limited na oire servicing center spare parts amasung showroom ase lakliba tang 18 asida Thawbal Kiam Sifai Babu Bazar Thawbal da inauguration ceremony amaga loinana hangdok chargani launch tawdringai gi mangoinana booking tawbiduna sahi amagi insurance extended warranty khudol amadi discount kaya gi oiba inaugural offer gi khudong chabasu lobiu contact 8257888690 booking gi damakta contact tawbiu main head office Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir.
Welcome back. Shetri Mayum Indira Devi alias Chirom Indira from Thangmaiban, Leren Hanjaba Lekai, Imphal was honored with the prestigious award of Women Transforming India Award 2018 by Niti Aayog and United Nations India. The award was conferred by Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, on the occasion of 3rd edition of the Women Transforming India Awards 2018, which was held on 16 December 2018 at Pravasi Bharatiya Kendra, Chanyakyapuri, New Delhi. Honorable Vice President of India also launched Women Entrepreneurship Platform 2.0 on the occasion. This year's theme was Women and Entrepreneurship. Altogether, 15 winners across the country has been selected through an extensive 6-month-long process to identify fascinating and inspiring stories of women entrepreneurs who are breaking new ground by empowering themselves and others. The nomination for the 3rd edition of the Women Transforming India Awards were opened on March 8, 2018 on the occasion of International Women's Day by Amitabh Kant, CEO Niti Aayog, and Yuri Afanasiev, UN Resident Coordinator in India. Locals of Mori felicitated new ADC Mayang Lambam Rajkumar, one of the youngest persons holding the post of IAS officer. The felicitation was held at the Convention Hall of Mori Trade Center today. The event was attended by leaders of various communities, CSOS, student organizations, Watam and government officials. The new ADC M. Rajkumar assured the people that he will work for a change in Mori and he will sort out the current garbage disposal issue in Mori by discussing it with the officials concerned.
For example, South Korea, South Korea is mine of Manipur.
All Mori Auto Owners and Drivers Welfare Association of Mori observed its 22nd anniversary at Mori Ward No. 3 today. The occasion was attended by Mori OC, Letkauhau Vaipai, Major of 43 AR, R.K. Sharma, Additional SP K.H. Robinson and DSP Thomas Thokchom. One person named Konsam Iboyaima, 57, son of late Manichandra, died yesterday after he was knocked down by a speeding I-20 car in Sijiwa Jail, Lamkhai, which falls under the jurisdiction of Lamlai Police Station, Imphal East. A case has been registered by the Lamlai Police in connection with the incident. T. Donglian, 55, son of late Ching Jakhol of Kairik village, Churachandpur, surrendered to the police yesterday. He was involved in an incident occurred on 15th of this month where 4 persons got injured in a gun attack while they were attending the funeral ceremony in Jonmunom village, which the Churachandpur police station. Popular Manipuri film actor R.K. Amarendra inaugurated a microfinance called Chaukhan Minasi Bolero Finance at Bamon Laikai today. He said microfinance has played a big role in uniting the people and helping the entrepreneurs to set up their business by giving them loan at low interest.
Chaukhan Minasi Bolero Finance ki sanab minasida ai buzba don to pe na to chhe du maru ina Manipur ngasi sugumba finance Pagi, I'm topic terus Parja Manipur lagi Parja ke awal member kerja tu mungkin panggil kau yang honor si member member semua semua honor minat pasti tu sini kau yang macam kalau Manipur lagi tu dah member tu sini semua yang pick up amount dah member mungkin panggil semua hanya semua minat bagi lebih member tu pasti yang tahu untuk cari yang tunggu yang life apa yang cakap apa bagi finance semua yang bagi
We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Watch Live in Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Live in Style, every Saturday night 7:30, only on Tom TV.
Welcome back. In a significant development, Government of India and the NSCN, led by Kangau Konyak, held an informal meeting at Delhi to chalk out the differences yesterday. The meeting was held following a Kangau-led NSCN case, December 6, 2018 declaration to revoke its decision of unilaterally abrogating the ceasefire agreement with the Government of India. Deputy National Security Advisor and Government of India representative for Naga peace talks, R.N. Ravi, and 3 members representing the NSCNK, led by General Secretary Isak Sumi, set for an informal meeting at New Delhi. Sources informed that both the sides had a good meeting and explored the possibilities to include NSCNK in the ongoing peace process. Sources also disclosed that the 2 parties were likely to meet for the second round of informal meeting during the first half of January 2019. With Cyclone Pokai making landfall in Andhra Pradesh coast and the IMD forecasting heavy rainfall in the region, the Odisha government has evacuated more than 11,000 people to safety zones. The cyclone made landfall near Katrenikona in East Godavari district in the afternoon on Monday, packing wind speed that gusted up to 85 to 90 km per hour, uprooting electric poles and trees in Katrenikona, Talarivau and Malkipuram in the district. No casualties were reported, though power supply was severely hit in several parts of the district. Japan will accelerate spending on advanced steel fighters, long-range missiles and other equipment over the 5 years to support US forces facing China's military in the Western Pacific. 2 new government defense papers said the plans are the clearest indication yet of Japan's ambition to become a regional power as a military buildup by China as a resurgent Russia puts pressure on its US ally. The United States remains the world's most powerful nation, but national rivalries are surfacing and recognize the importance of the strategic competition with both China and Russia as they challenge the regional order, said a 10-year defense program outline approved by Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's government today. The United States, followed by China, North Korea and Russia, are the countries that most influenced Japan's latest military thinking. The paper said China, the world's second biggest economy, is deploying more ships and aircraft to patrol waters near Japan, while North Korea has yet to fulfill a pledge to dismantle its nuclear and missile programs. Russia, which continues to probe Japanese air defenses, said yesterday it had built new barracks for troops on a northern island it captured from Japan at the end of the World War II. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, PMO gears up to neutralize all disturbances. Congress leader Sajan Kumar, convicted in 1984 anti-Sikh riots, gets life in prison. Government inks MOU with Tata Trust. The People's Chronicle, PEEP CM urges Sioux groups to uphold ground rules. Win in 3 states paves path for Congress return to power MLA. MOU signed to train empower rural youth. Imphal Free Press, MSRLM signs 11 new PIAS of DDU GKY. General strike imposed by UG groups cripples normal life despite government's attempt to foil it. MSU condemns police action against Masad at New Delhi. Abandoned minor girl subjected to child labor.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. Development possible only with unified work culture, says Chief Minister and Biren. Many still unaware of various benefits under CMHT scheme. And steps been taken up to upgrade Jennings to the level of AIMS, says Chief Minister and Biren. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.